Hello everyone, myself Amay Joya and you're watching my YouTube channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how you can share threads on your Instagram story. It is a very simple thing to do, but if you don't know about this, then don't skip this video and watch this till the end and you will know how to share it. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your threads count. To share your threads on your Instagram story, make sure that you are using the same account on your Instagram and threads count. If you're not using the same account, it may be not working properly. Now tap at your profile icon. Now scroll it up. For example, I want to share this at my Instagram story. Now down the bottom you can see a shared option. Just simply tap at there. The page and screen you can see post to feeds. Don't tap at the post to feed. Only focus on the story option. Just simply add to story and type at plus sign. Appears on screen you can see the post. Now with the help of your finger, readjust the size of the post. Now tap at arrow option down the bottom. Appears at screen you can see your story. Tap at share. Tap at done. Wait for a moment. Now tap at your story. It is almost done. Appears on screen you can see your threads is share on your Instagram story. Like this you can easily share your threads post on your Instagram stories. I hope you like this. If you do like this, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.